Kia ora! This month we're talking about Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, which is Te Wiki, the week, o, of, Te Reo, the language, Māori. Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, Māori Language Week. Each September, Māori Language Week is celebrated in New Zealand, or Aotearoa. The tradition started in the year 1975 to celebrate a petition to the government 3 years prior, which asked for active recognition of the language. At the beginning of the 19th century, Māori was the dominant language in Aotearoa. As more European settlers arrived, and after the Second World War, use of the language decreased. And around the year 1860, English became the dominant language. About a century later, during the 1970s, efforts to revitalise the language began. And in the year 1987, Māori became an official language of Aotearoa. Now, there are a lot of institutions working to revitalise the language. Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori is one of them, as is this channel. This year, Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori runs from the 13th to the 19th of September. To celebrate, there will be one video each day. We will cover numbers, days of the week, months of the year, seasons, colours, parts of the body, and New Zealand cities in Māori. So, join me during Te Wiki, and let's work together to revitalise Te Reo Māori. Ka kite!